In this video, I will show you how to lock filter on your Android phone, and you can set this as parental control on your child mobile phone. So let's get started. Pick your Android phone and go to settings. You click on settings. So on your settings, you search for connection and sharing. So I have my connection and sharing here. I click on it. Then on it, you scroll and you search for private DNS on your Android phone. You search for private DNS. So you click on the private DNS. You see, it's off. So now we are come to select our own private DNS so that whenever someone trying to use your phone to access any adult website or sensitive website, the person will not be able to get access to it, or you can set this as parental control on your child device. So you click on private DNS provider host name. We click on it. You see, I already have mine here, but let's type it together. Let me clean this and let's type it together. So you type all of them in small letters. So let's type adult, then not underscore, asterisk, dash, adult dash, filter dash DNS dot clean browsing, you see, dot org. So here is it. This is what you have to type. After you finish all this, then you click on save. So now your phone is locked to filter. So whatever you search, no matter the web browser that you are using, whenever you are trying to access any adult website, because of this, you'll not be able to get access to that website. It will direct you to safe browsing. And this, when you send this on your child phone, your child will be able to get access to sensitive websites like pornography and stuff. So thank you.